Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue exploring the features of Syncfusion Angular Charts. In this video, let me talk about three features that make Syncfusion Angular Charts more interactive: the Tooltip, Crosshair, and Trackball. Let's start with the Tooltip feature. You can enable it by turning on the Enable property in the Tooltip. When you hover over a data point, the Tooltip shows value details without cluttering the UI. By default, it displays the X and Y values, but you can customize what it displays using Format property. Or build a custom design using the template option with placeholders like $X and $Y. You can even apply individual tooltip formats so each series can display values in its own style. And if you want all series values shown together, simply set the shared property to true. To show additional information from your data source directly in the tooltip, use the tooltip mapping name property. If you don't want the tooltip to follow the cursor, set location in the tooltip. It stays in one place while still updating the data as you hover. Want to style it? Adjust the background with fill, change borders, and set text styles using text style property. Need to highlight one series at a time? Turn on Enable Highlight, and the active series stand out while dimming the others. Plus, tooltips are displayed for the data point nearest to the cursor, but you can turn this off by setting the Show Nearest Tooltip property to false in the tooltip settings. Let's move on to the Crosshair feature. It is a great option when users want precise inspection. You can enable this option by simply turning on the Enable property in Crosshair settings. A thin horizontal and vertical line will be shown in the chart, intersecting at the inspected data point. Want only a vertical line? Set line type as vertical in Crosshair. You can also even customize the color and width of the line. For even better accuracy, enable Snap to Data, so the crosshair snaps directly to the nearest data point instead of following the pointer freely. Want tooltips to appear right on the axis? Set Enable as true in Crosshair Tooltip. You can change the background using fill and customize the text using text style. And if your chart uses categories or dates, switch on Highlight Category property to highlight the full category range when hovering. Working with multiple series and want a combined view of all values? Trackball is the perfect option. You can enable the crosshair and set Shared as true in the tooltip settings. This shows a marker and a shared tooltip for all series at the closest point, and you can format it using the template property. So that's an overview of Tooltip, Crosshair, and Trackball. Three features that add clarity, precision, and smooth interaction to Syncfusion Angular Charts, making it easier to explore complex data.